What's up, everybody? I am going to be doing a photo session for my amazing friend Mehdi. We're going to be doing two types of shots, a dramatic shot and more of a traditional style model shot to make him look good. Are you excited, Mehdi?
Sure, I'm so excited about this. Let's do it.
All right, let's start this up. For today's setup, we have the tripod here, K&F Concept. We got the Fujifilm XC4 with the 56mm f1.2. We have the Amaran light on a light stand with the Glow Easy Lock 24 Beauty dish. And that's the only setup. Oh yeah, and we have the reflector too, because it's gonna help you to look amazing. I have a custom backdrop, which is a blanket that I steamed to make it look clean. We make it work, baby. Look at this, you look good. Oh my goodness. So sit up a little bit more, put your, yeah, not too much. Not too much. How's the light feel? Doesn't feel too bright on you?
No, it's okay.
Actually, I'm gonna bring it down and I'm gonna bring it closer to you. This is what you look like.
Uh-oh.
Looking good, huh? You're gonna look good. And the next part is you're gonna hold this for me, if that's okay.
Yes.
Bring it up a little bit higher, up to your chest. Yeah, exactly. Now let me double check. Yeah, maybe down here to your, right here, and then put it so that you can see it brightening in your face. Yeah, exactly. And now what I want you to do is I want you to look not into it, but try to look through the lens, like you're looking past it. I want you to think that you're a powerful, strong person.
Okay.
So let's take a first shot like this. Yeah. You look strong, Mehdi. Do you feel strong? Yes, yes, Mehdi. This, I think we got the shot. Come check out the pictures. Look at how you look. Why is it feeling like that?
Oh, okay.
Hold on a second.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
So
that's amazing.
Awesome. I'm glad you like it. So he's getting dressed up, getting dapper. I like it. I like it a lot. You look so good.
Oh, thank you.
You look so good. Look at this man. Look at this man. Exact same setup. He just changed clothes. We're gonna just do another photo like this. You're gonna look so good. So maybe up a little bit higher, and then let me check it real quick. Maybe something like this. Yeah. Oh, you look amazing. You look powerful. All right, I'm gonna adjust your hair real quick. That's okay? Just make sure it's all stringy. Wait, let me get a comb real quick. We got the comb. Where's the, oh, here. Adjust it real quick. Yeah.
That will be easier.
Yeah. Make it look good. That's
It's okay, no?
Yeah. And just wipe your forehead with your hand so it's not wet. Yeah. All right. Let's go back to this. Yeah, your hair looks so good right now. Okay. Same thing here. It's just for this shot, just look through the lens. Like you're going to eat the lens, Mehdi. Okay. Like you want to take a bite out of it. What are you going to do? Okay.
I prefer to eat something else.
Okay. Here's the first shot. Very nice. Hold on a second. I'm just going to adjust some settings right here. Relax. Feel like you're at home right now and you're just looking at it. Maybe you can move your shoulders, your right shoulder a little bit. No, go back to it. Just a touch. Just a touch. Yeah, exactly. Chin down just a little bit. Yes. Perfect. You look clean. Oh my goodness, Mehdi. Oh my goodness. I think that's it.
Oh, really?
We got it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Perfect.
Come check it out.
Yeah, sure. Dude, look at this.
Yeah, look at that one right there.
Yeah.
And then that's the other shot right there, looking forward. And then this one's your head's more back.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. We got the same framing.
Yeah, the same frame, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah,
you think it looks good?
Yeah, that is perfect. I appreciate it, man. You know?
Now we're gonna reset the scene. I'm gonna get a white background and I want a more traditional beauty, nice shot. Something you can put on your LinkedIn or something you can put when you want to show people you're amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna pause, gonna change the scene. Give me a second. So I'm here getting the white backdrop ready and just, it is super wrinkly, so I'm steaming it to get it nice, looking straight and good. All right, we have our second scene set up with Mehdi, white backdrop this time, and we're going to go for more of a beauty kind of look, looking good and nice and stuff. So
I get a lot of matches on Hinge.
this is what you want it for, huh? So for this setup, oh, I'm gonna shut this off. So for this one, we got a nice hair light. I have another Amaran 100D with an octo box right here with a grid. So it's just very on his hair only to give him a little bit more of a pop. So this is more of like a natural, like awesome, good looking type of photo. For this one, what I want you to feel is like a little bit more happiness. Let's take a couple shots. So what I want you to do is the same technique as before, where you breathe in, breathe out, and then I want you to smile. And with this smile, it's gonna be closed, so no teeth.
Okay.
So let's practice. Go ahead and do it. Breathe in, breathe out. Now start smiling. Yeah, exactly. Again, stop smiling, breathe out, breathe in, and smile for me. Now I want more of like a smile with your teeth. So yeah. Do you like your yeah, not that much.
Okay.
We're gonna try different types. So we're gonna do one that's a little bit softer, one a little stronger.
Sure.
So look through here and then think of your favorite fruit. What's your favorite fruit? A banana?
No.
What's your favorite fruit?
Avocado.
Avocado. There we go. Nice. Avocado. How do you like avocados?
Just a
Is guacamole?
Yeah, guacamole.
Okay, okay. Think of a guacamole in your brain and then look at the camera and smile for me. Who is your favorite sibling? Do you have siblings?
I do have a sibling.
Okay. Well, tell me your favorite time that you had with your sibling when you were 10 years old. Something that you remember, his birthday.
I cooked for my brother, younger brother, one day, you know.
When you were 10 years old, you
Yeah.
cooked for him?
So it was just like a mess, but you know.
What did you make him?
Scrambled eggs, actually.
How old was he?
5 years younger than me, so.
Okay.
So he was 5, I was 10.
Okay. No, what's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite dessert?
Apple pie.
Apple pie? Really?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. I like that. All right. Those were more like candid shots. I want to get photos of you being natural.
Yeah.
So you are looking clean, sir.
Okay.
What do you think?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, looking
Yeah.
good, huh? That's the light on the right side, this is the
Yeah.
light on the left side. See, this one is really candid and natural.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's for the
That's
that's for the do you see the difference?
You see this? That's perfect for Tinder.
That's all you're thinking about, huh? He's checking it in the mirror to set up, make sure he looks good. You want to look good, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect. So we got the change in wardrobe. My sir has got the scarf. I like it. You look clean. Are you ready for a shot?
Yes.
All right. Very natural, no teeth smile. So breathe in, breathe out, and then just smile for me naturally. A little bit, yeah. Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, perfect. Yes, like you're a friendly neighbor. You want to hang out with someone. Are your neighbors friendly?
Dude, yeah, I'm good.
Okay, this one, I want you to move your body, your whole body 45 degrees, and then with your head, or no, just the body 45 degrees.
45 degrees.
Yeah.
Which way? This way?
This way here, like this.
This way.
Yeah.
Okay.
And a little bit more that way. Yeah, and then your head is going to be looking straight at the camera. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's great. Nice smile right there. You don't even have to do the breathing thing. That's a fantastic smile already. Move your body, the top side of your body, again, 45 yeah, let's do this side. 45 degrees this way, and then look with your head. Only with your head. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Look into that camera. Chin up a little bit, please. Perfect. Yes, Mehdi. Yes. Look at this clean gentleman. Are you clean or what? Wow, man. Come here. Look at this.
Yeah, okay.
Look at this, Mehdi.
Oh, okay. That's
Look
cool.
at that. So good. We got here the left side. We got here a little bit more of the right side, and then more straight on shot over here. How do you think this scarf looks? It looks good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah.
I really like this one. This angle right here. Very clean. Okay.
Awesome. Thank you.
Let's do one more shot with the jacket now.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel so excited.
Too, you know, dude.
It's gonna look so, you look so good. You look so good. I have just extreme excitement for these photos. I feel happiness. He changed the drip. He's got the suit jacket on. Look at this man. All right. Now look through the camera lens. Look through it as if you're gonna look at a valley that's 300 miles away. And just, yeah, nice, softer smile. Yeah, exactly. What a professional. You look amazing, Mehdi. Wow. Yes. Okay. Now let's do some of the reflector too. All right. Look at that. Oh my goodness, Mehdi. You look clean. Wow. This is, Mehdi, you're so impressive looking. Look at this. And now a little bit more straight on if you can with your whole body. Breathe in, breathe out, and then I'll smile for me. Yes, I love that. Yeah, I think we got it, man. Come look at this. Come look at this. We got here this shot here, and then we have here the, look at that, with the eye right there.
Woo.
This one.
That was perfect, yeah.
That is the keeper.
Yeah, dude.
What do you think? What do you think?
I will get a lot of matches.
It's all about the Tinder for this man right here.
So that's a pretty good picture. Yeah, good job, man.
Photoshop session done. How do you feel? Does it feel good? You feel like you're looking good?
Yeah, it's a lot of work, man. You know, but that's pictures are pretty good. You know, so
I'm gonna make it.
Definitely, I'm gonna use it for.
Look at this. You see the clarity?
Yeah, it's so good, man.
I'm gonna make it
high quality.
I'm gonna make it high quality because you're high quality.
Oh, I appreciate that. I'm high quality because you are a high quality friend. You know what I mean?
Photo session done. Thank you, Mehdi. How do you feel about the session in total? Was it fun? Was it easy?
It was fun, actually.
You had a good time? Fun. You had a good time?
It was. I had a good time. You know,
awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We're done with the session. We're going to pack it all down and we're good to go. Thanks. See ya.